Earlier this month, the Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation announced it was tightening mortgage insurance rules starting July 1st. The move comes as analysts predict a drop in home prices over the next year, in large part due to the pandemic. So what does that mean for home buyers? Peter Sashaki from Everything Financial Group joins us now this morning. Good morning, Peter. Can you hear me okay, Peter?
I can hear you fine.
Okay,
yeah.
great. Sorry, we had a little lag there. Good.
Okay,
We
no
gotcha.
problem.
Okay, so let's talk about these rules. What exactly is changing with these rules starting July 1st?
Well, starting July 1st, CMHC, and this affects the people, by the way, who are putting in less than 20% down payment. So usually first-time home buyers or definitely the lower end of the market, you will qualify for 10% less than what you would have on June 30th for your purchase.
So you mentioned most likely this would affect first-time home buyers. Who else might be impacted by this?
Well, anyone who doesn't have that 20% down payment and needs the CMHC insurance in order to qualify for the mortgage.
Okay, so why are these changes being made?
This is government and CMHC attempt to basically shrink the buyer, shrink how many purchasers are out there, eliminate a whole bunch of buyers from the housing market. And what that's going to do is crash the housing market and lower home prices. That's what they're attempting to do because they can't control the amount of houses available for sale. They can't control the volume and what's out there. So instead, they're going to try and control how many buyers are out there who can purchase.
So if there are fewer buyers that are able to purchase these properties, then the prices will go down? Is that sort of like
That's right.
the impact?
There's less demand. There's less people who can afford to buy. The prices will go down, and that's their attempt. That's the Liberal government attempt with CMHC, is to crash home prices. But there is a solution.
And what's that?
Well, mortgage brokers know of two other guarantee companies who are insurance companies, Genworth and Canada Guarantee, who are, at the moment anyways, not following suit with the CMHC and sticking to the older rules. So I've reached out to a lot of mortgage brokers in the industry, and they're all going to use these second and third insurance companies to help the first-time home buyers. Now, that may change down the road, who knows? But if you're a first-time home buyer or someone who doesn't have the 20% down payment, start looking, get out there now, don't wait, because 10% could make it or break it in that difference of being able to purchase a home or not purchase a home. And interest rates are really low right now, so it's a good time to get into the market.
A lot of people are probably eyeballing those interest rates saying, hey, you know, we want to buy a home, this is the time to do it. But then with this, these new rules coming into effect, and I don't think a lot of people even knew that there were other options, Peter.
They didn't. A lot of people we've talked to didn't have a clue there were other choices. The mortgage brokers, fortunately, know of the other choices. Registered financial planners who do this business know of the other choices. They're out there looking for you to help you get into that home for the first time. So reach out to them, seek their advice, and see if you can make it happen, because that 10% could be the fine line between getting into your home or being forcing you to pay rent for a while longer. And by then, who knows what could happen with prices, supply, everything else.
Peter Sashaki with Everything Financial. Thanks for the good advice this morning, Peter.
Thanks, Carrie. Have a great day.